Mm. Good afternoon, boys. Today we'll start our actual syllabus of 12th standard physics. First chapter is namely rotational dynamics. Let us see the meaning of the word dynamics. Dynamics is a branch of mechanics which is connected to physics and which deals with study of moving bodies. So in this chapter we'll study the dynamics, characteristics of rotational dynamics. We'll see applications of these dynamics. We'll see the reason or cause behind its dynamics. First point of this chapter, the concept of circular motion. To understand the concept of circular motion, consider a simple example. Suppose this is Earth and this is Moon. We know that Moon revolves around the Earth in an elliptical orbit, or we can say that elongated circular orbit. So this body, the Moon, moves along circumference of the circle. Such motion of the body, Moon, is called as circular motion. Another example of circular motion is atom. In an atom, electron revolves around the nucleus in a circular orbit. So we can say that electron is in the circular motion. Another example is merry-go-round. Let us see definition of circular motion. A body which moves along the circumference of a circle is called as a circular motion. So in examination, question can be asked, define circular motion, or what do you mean by circular motion for 1 mark question. Very short question. Let us see next point of this chapter, the concept of characteristics of circular motion. There are two main characteristics or properties or main points about circular motion, namely number 1 velocity and number 2 period. Suppose the body is revolving in a circular motion, that means moving along circumference of a circle. At this typical point, the body is moving in upward direction. So we can say that direction of this velocity is tangential to circle, that means upward direction. Similarly here at point B, direction is exactly opposite. At this typical point, the direction is on this side. At this point C, direction is on this side. So at every point, direction of velocity changes. So this is called as first property. Direction of velocity changes from point to point in a circular motion, or we can say that it is accelerated velocity. Second important characteristic is with respect to period, that means time factor. We have seen the concept of period in last year previous standard. The time required to complete one oscillation, one revolution, one vibration, or one circulation is called as period. So in case of circular motion, this period, the time required to complete one circulation remains constant. Suppose a typical body completes one circulation in 1 second. So we can say that in next 1 second, the body will also cover same distance, same circular path will come at same point. So 2 points are important, velocity, direction changes, and periodic time of circular motion remains unchanged. So in examination question can be asked, give properties of circular motion. So today we are seeing the concept of dynamics, the concept of circular motion, and properties or characteristics of the circular motion, namely velocity, and second is speed. Next time we'll see remaining part of this chapter.